Hello everyone, it's Mortho here from Morthotech Artworks, once again with a little quick tutorial on lettering in pieces and stuff like that. So I'm going to get straight into it with some little techniques and stuff which I find helpful, some stuff that I still use today, and I know a lot of people would appreciate this because they want to start learning how to construct their letters. But I'm just going to start off straight away with the very simple sort of theory behind it. Okay, so here I've got a chisel tip magic marker. Now this is just for demonstration's sake. We're going with the letter M, so you know there's a letter M kind of thing, but when we're actually doing our pieces, now this doesn't apply to everyone, but it's just for an example's sake, we sort of try to replicate what a chisel tip does. So I'm going to do the letter M in a chisel tip. There you go, M in the chisel tip. Now with that, I am literally, I'm just going to use a pencil, I'm going to try and replicate it. So we've got this bit here, this bit here, this bit there. And I'm going to draw them all in their own separate segments. There you go. Roughly, you get the idea, right? And then from there you would do your fills and your outlines and stuff like that. Ooh. And so there's a very basic demonstration of that technique. The other one that I've seen a lot of people do, where the fuck's my pencil? Here we go, is they literally just draw the letter M like that. And then they would come around with an outline marker, and sort of just draw like an outline, sort of a stroke line, I suppose we'll call it. Now it's very, very basic, but you can, like, once you get rid of this little line in the middle. Now I have seen people construct full pieces like that. Literally just write their word, like, you know, in normal writing, and then go around each letter like this, and then they work on their layers and overlapping and stuff like that. But let's fancy it up a bit now. So I am going to... But let's stick with the letter M. Let's stick with this sort of style, yeah? So I'm going to draw a bit down here. I'm going to put some curve on my lines now. Curve on my shapes, sorry. Alright, so there's our letter M again, but now I'm going to add a few bits and pieces just to zazz it up. So I'm going to make this guy have a bit of a kick out there, or maybe a kick out this way, I reckon, because it's slightly curving in like this way, so I want to have a bit of a kick popping out this way. So let's just do that. And I think, now that I've started drawing that kick, I've got this line here, I'm going to keep it going with it. And I'm going to try and join it up like that, get a nice curve going on there. I haven't done this in ages. Okay, so we've got a bit of a thing happening there. Now we've got this line down there, I'm going to try and get a kick going up this way, I think. Can you see that? I don't know if this is a good example or not, but it's a way to get started. Up here I'm going to do some sort of, I don't know, probably something like that. You see that? Let's just go ahead and do bits and pieces now. Bits and pieces here and there. Let's put a weird little square bit out like that. Yeah. Now let's just get rid of all our inside bits. Right, let's just put an outline on it. And there you go, really. That's, it's not bad for a little example kind of thing. What I am going to do as well is just do a quick demonstration on three-dimensional shit. So basically, you want your 3D to be, if just for this exercise, and you also want to get used to it as well. You want your 3D all going the same one direction at this moment. So all my lines from all the little corners and stuff are all going to be facing that one direction, and probably about 5 mil thick, I suppose. So they're all going this direction. Okay, remember that. So we can about 5 mil line there, 5 mil line there, there, there. Okay, now let's join them up. So this line here, I'm going to have just join a line from here to here, and it's going to follow the same trajectory. I don't know the word. Follow that same direction as that line there. So let's just do that. Bosh! Now we do the rest. Cool. That's that. I did have a bit of a leak with my pen there, but it's fine. It's just a demonstration. And in this case, I'm just going to fill them in all black, because that's the most common thing. And there we go, there's our letter M. Very basic technique there, but it's a technique I still use sometimes, quite a lot actually. You draw your shapes and then you outline them and you put your 3D on, blah 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 blah. So there's that technique. There's also this one, which is not my favorite, but there's nothing wrong with trying it out, Yeah, and that's really that's the best way just to construct your pieces and stuff like that. Start fucking around with shapes and things like that. But that's really about it. I will just there's going to be a lot of people that would want to know how to construct tags next. Now, tags is something else. Tags is something that you will just it becomes like handwriting, You do it enough, it just becomes like handwriting. Thrown over, and it just becomes like second nature. But yeah, guys, that's it for this little video. There will be a video coming soon on the markers and stuff that I use, but I really hope that was helpful. Get out there, just keep practicing, get a nice sketchbook, just practice, and you will be a burner. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. See ya!